Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system, class 6. This is unit number 7. It is about energy. This is the title page of your amazing science Oxford syllabus book for class 6, unit number 7, and it is about the energy. All living things and machines use energy to work. So first of all, we will learn about that what is energy. The world is full of movement. People and animals walk about, ships sail on the sea as shown in this figure, aeroplanes fly in the air, it is also shown in this figure on your books, trees move in the wind. None of these things can move unless they have the energy. So all living things need what? They need energy, yes, to work. Energy is the ability to work. All the energy on earth comes from the sun. The sun's energy is called the solar energy. It changes into other kinds of energy when it reaches the earth. Plant absorb solar energy and use it to make glucose. The energy trapped in glucose is transferred to plant. When plants are eaten by animals, this energy is transferred to the animals. The sun's energy is also trapped in coal and mineral oil. Millions of years ago, the sun gave its energy to plants and animals. When they died, their bodies slowly turned into oil and coal. Oil and coal are called the fossil fuels. When fossil fuels are burned, they release this energy in the form of heat. Heat energy is used to produce electrical energy in power stations. It is also used to produce steam in the boilers of steam engines and ships to make them move. Food provides energy to our muscles so that we can walk and run. Wind energy turns the sails of windmills. Petrol is burned inside the engines of cars and aeroplanes to make them move. Petrol comes from oil. It provides energy for most machines and engines to work. Wood, coal and oil are burned to give off heat. Candles and oil lamps give off light. Natural gas is burned for heating and cooking. Next we have the students kinetic energy. Everything in the world is made up of atoms and molecules. Atoms and molecules move about or vibrate all the time. So this moving, the energy due to the motion of things, moving atoms, yes, this energy is called the kinetic energy. When an iron bar is cold, its atoms vibrate very slowly. If this iron bar is heated, its atoms start to move faster and faster. When the piece of iron becomes very hot, the atoms have so much kinetic energy that they break away from each other. Then the solid iron melts and becomes liquid iron. Next students, we have the potential energy. Yes, it is the stored energy of a body as a result of its position. A ball put on a high shelf has more potential energy than if it is placed on the floor. The ball gains extra energy because work is done when the ball was placed on the shelf. Potential or stored energy can be changed into kinetic or moving energy. If we push the ball from the shelf onto a pile of sand, it will make a pit in it. The potential energy of the ball on the shelf. So potential or stored energy can be changed into kinetic or moving energy. If we push the ball from the shelf onto a pile of sand, it will make a pit in it. The potential energy of the ball on the shelf turns into kinetic energy when it is pushed. When you wind up a toy, energy stored into the toy spring, the potential energy changes into kinetic energy as the spring unwinds. It makes the toy work. So students, ये सब मैंने आपको energies different practicals करके show भी करवाई थी online class में. Next we have the different forms of energy. Electricity, yes, it is the most convenient form of energy. It is clean to use. It can travel over long distances along wires. It can easily be changed into other forms of energy like heat and light. Most of the electricity we use in our homes is made up of by generators at power stations. They convert kinetic energy produced by burning fuel or by moving water or by wind power at the power station into electrical energy. Next we have the form of energy which is called the sound energy. Sound is also a type of energy. When an object vibrates, it makes the air around it also vibrate. The vibrations travel through the air as sound waves. So the sound waves move sound energy from one place to another. All moving things make sound. Chemical energy. Fireworks are made of gunpowder and other explosive chemicals. These chemicals contain a lot of energy, so this is called the chemical energy. When gunpowder burns, it releases large amount of energy in the form of sound, heat and light. Here we have interesting colorful pictures which shows that engines use the chemical energy of petrol. Petrol is burned inside the engine. A lot of kinetic energy and heat energy is released. Nuclear energy. Next we have that form of energy is the nuclear energy. The atoms of some metals can be changed or split to make new atoms. The nucleus of a uranium atom can be split into two. This breaking apart is called fission. When the nucleus of a uranium atom splits, some of its neutrons escape. These neutrons crash into other uranium atoms, causing them to split. This splitting of the atom releases huge amounts of heat, such as called the nuclear energy. On the other hand side, some atoms cannot be split and they can be squeezed together. This process is called the fusion. Hydrogen atoms can be squeezed together at a very high temperatures to form large atoms. This fusion process releases large amount of energy, and this energy can be controlled and used to produce the electricity. Food energy. Your body uses energy all the time. You need energy for work and play. You need energy to keep warm in winters. You even use energy when you are asleep. The energy of your body comes from the food you eat. Food contains chemical energy. Some foods like lettuce and tomatoes contain less energy. Bananas, white rice, eggs, meat and butter contains a lot of energy. Energy from food is released only after it has been broken down or digested in the body. Fats and hydrocarbons produce heat energy for the body. Proteins also produce energy for muscle growth and repair. Energy also change from one form to another. Every form of energy can change into another. Coal is a fuel that contains chemical energy. When coal burns, the chemical energy change into heat and light. Energy can change its form, but it cannot be made out of nothing, and neither can it be destroyed. The chemical energy in fuels is changed into electrical energy in power stations. When we use electricity, we do not destroy it. We change it into another form of energy, such as heat energy or light energy. In previous centuries, water wheel. So here students, we have this picture of water wheel was used to draw water from a well or to work grinding stones in mills. Water from a stream was used to push the blades attached to a wheel. The force of the water made the wheel turn. Solar cells convert solar energy into electrical energy, which is used in calculators and watches. Electromagnetic energy is produced from vibrations that are made by electric and magnetic waves. These vibrations are very fast and full of energy. Also, the microwave and radio waves used in modern telecommunications are electromagnetic waves. Biogas is also a valuable and cheap source of energy. When plants and animals decay, they give off a gas. Scientists call this biogas. Biogas is also produced by animal dropping and manure. When biogas mixes with carbon dioxide, a gas called methane is formed. It can be controlled and used as fuel. Some villages have biogas generators. Animal waste is put into a tank with the lid. As the waste decays, the methane gas is released. This can be used for boiling water and cooking food. Transfer of energy in an environment. At the beginning of any food chain is a plant using sunlight to convert water and carbon dioxide into carbohydrate. Animals then feed on plants and use the carbohydrates for energy to grow and move. These animals in turn may be eaten by other animals, and so energy passes along the food chain. However, at each stage in the food chain, energy is lost. When a rabbit eats grass only, A small part of the energy is saved as new growth. Most is used to keep the rabbit alive, and some is just not absorbed from the grass during digestion. The same energy waste happens at other stages in the food chain. Because of this waste, the number of animals at each stage in the chain decreases. Energy converters, yes, here we have some pictures. Radio converts electrical energy into sound energy. Washing machine, yes, it also changes energy into mechanical. Light bulb, electrical energy change into heat and light. Brake of a vehicle change kinetic energy into heat energy. Calculator, television, electric drill, yes, it also changes the different types of energy into mechanical, sound and light, and mechanical and light. Electric iron, telephone, it also changes energies. So a swing change kinetic energy into potential energy, and so on. Next we have some sources of energy from where we get these energy. Most of our homes receive a supply of electricity which travels along cables and wires from a power station. At the power station, electricity is made from the energy released by burning coal or oil, or by using nuclear fuel or water power from dams. Each of these four sources of energy is called primary source. Electricity is a secondary source because it is produced from a primary source. Primary source of energy such as coal, oil and natural gas are also called non-renewable sources because once they have been used up, they cannot be replaced. Sources of energy that can be used over and over again are called renewable sources. Wind power, water power and solar energy are renewable energy sources. New energy sources as solar, wind, water, geothermal energies are the new energy sources. Solar energy, more energy reaches the earth from the sun than could be converted by millions of power stations. So we can use the sun's energy to heat the water in our homes by using a solar panel. This is a glass topped box fixed to the roof of a building facing the sun. The inside of the box is a painted black. Water flows through pipes inside the box during daylight. This water is heated by the sun's energy. Solar cells just provide us with another way of using the sun's energy. Each cell is made of layers of a material that produces electrical energy. When light shines on it, the solar cells converts energy from the sun into electrical energy. Watches and calculators can be fitted with solar cells. Wind energy. Wind has been a source of energy for thousands of years. Ships needed wind power to fill their sails and push them along. Windmills were used to grind stones and pump water. Windmills are now being used to generate electricity. They convert the kinetic energy of the wind into electricity. Water energy. Yes, the energy of the sea's waves can be converted into hydroelectric power. A line of rafts floating on the sea will move up and down with the waves, and their kinetic energy can be converted into electricity. Yes, geothermal energy is the heat energy produced inside the earth. The center of the earth is very hot. The temperature is about 6000 degrees centigrade. This heat spreads to the rock around the center of the earth and to the water trapped between the layers of rock close to the earth's surface. Engineers have found a new source of energy by pumping it out of the ground as hot water or steam. Next we have the solved exercise. Question answers. Energy. Energy is the ability to do work. All things need energy to move and work. All energy on the earth comes from the sun. It is called solar energy. Fossil fuels. Millions of years ago, plants and animals got energy from the sun. When they died, their bodies slowly changed into oil and coal, which are called fossil fuels. Kinetic energy is the energy in a body which is due to its moving atoms. Potential energy is the stored energy in a body which is due to its position. Chemical energy is the energy which is stored in chemical substances. It may be released in the form of kinetic energy or heat. Sound energy moves in the form of sound waves which are produced by vibrating bodies. The breaking apart of the nucleus of an atom is called nuclear fission. It releases huge amount of heat energy. Solar energy is produced by the sun due to fusion of hydrogen atoms which crash into each other, making layer atoms of helium gas. Energy cannot be made out of anything, and neither can it be destroyed, but it can change in its form. Next, students, we have the fill in the blanks. Question number 2: energy, solar, heat, petrol, kinetic, chemical, digested, fusion, biogas. Name the kinds of energy used in potential, electrical, chemical, nuclear, sound, chemical, potential, kinetic, and electrical. This is all for today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.